All right, so um the last video was on Monday, and ever since price has been pretty choppy, I'd say. Um I've realized a few of my weaknesses. I was gonna buy here, go above to up here. Stop was at break even, but I'm pretty sure I took profits here. Started dropping. Um I'm just gonna focus on this right here. This move down. Ever since here I was bearish, but I don't know. I just kept going back and forth, kept entering and exiting, kept entering and exiting, kept going back and forth. But my main bias was bearish because I seen price broke this higher low. Let's see this low. Higher low. Right here. Price breaks it, comes down, then comes up. And right here, I thought price was just retesting it. Boom, entered, got stopped out, entered again. Then I'm like, all right, maybe we're in for buys, entered for buys, switch my position. You know, it wasn't, I knew price broke structure. Then price came up to this, the mid level. And I entered again. I kept going. But I should have been more wary and waited for like a strong candle. Waited for a reason that price would have pushed down. Because we look at the sessions as well. I mean, there wasn't much with the sessions. Price looked like it was going up at first, then it came to the mid level and pushed down. But I mean, just know I'm not too sure because seeing it reject here was a lot of confluence for me because it's at the same price. It's at the same point price created this higher low. So I would have been pretty confident that it was at this level. 38.2 as well. But when price got here, entered, been in the sell ever since. Was holding it through NFP and everything. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna keep holding it as well. Why the type? Oh, look at the dollar. It's been rejecting off of this level, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a nice rally, like a triple bottom here, like one bounce, two bounce, three bounce off of this support. I guess I don't know. You'd consider this, but some nice bounces off of here. And I think we're gonna rally up. For gold, I think we're gonna continue pushing down. We see the weekly close. I mean, I think it speaks for itself. I'd be very surprised if price were to continue up after this strong of a rejection. I don't even know if price has created a strong rejection. I mean, this kind of, but nah, this was just pure bearish momentum. Safe to say, I'm gonna be very surprised, especially after this push down. We on the daily as well. Um, I could see price getting here, honestly. Mm, First, I'd want to see what price does if it gets here. If it gets to 32.50, I'd like to see what price does. And for the trade, I'm just gonna keep my TP going. I didn't move my stop loss to break even, but I'm gonna move it and just keep this trade going until it stops, honestly. So there's gonna be retracements, of course. Like, um, one thing I also realized was another reason I got in this trade. Um, saw price creating the same move from the 38.2. That's why this was my TP initially, because when it was right here, had it getting straight to there, creating the same move, but it ended up creating basically the same move just down here. We're probably going to see a similar retracement. How do you... Pretty sure it's like this. Probably when we get here. Just retrace back up to this level. Or break through it. Or price will just strictly continue down, because when price rallies, it really rallies. And it looks like it's starting to rally at least. So I feel like we'll see price continue down. We've seen strong movement on the 4 hour as well. And just it's such a strong candlestick. After 1, 2, 3 days, 4 days of staying above this level, price just drops down. After, well, price just created a similar wick to this, and I'm pretty sure I just see us pushing down. So yeah, I'm gonna see what price does during market open, but that's basically it for now. So yeah, I'm still in sells. I'd be in sells if I was looking at price right now. Not sure where I'd enter though, because price has been pushing down heavily. But off the first retracement I see, possibly at this area of market open, I'm entering. I would enter. But yeah, that's basically all I'm looking for.